Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Apex Legends. While launching the game, you got an error, launch error 30005, create file failed with 32, couldn't start the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, you need to head over to the directory of the game. If you are using EA Play, it is available in C drive, program files, EA Games, Apex. And here you will find a folder with the name Easy Anti-Cheat. Open it and here you will find a file with the name easyanticheat.sys. Right click and choose the option delete. Once deleted, relaunch the game to fix out the issue of launch error 30005. If this failed to work out, in next step you need to completely either uninstall or disable few programs one by one. With the latest update, you are not able to use these programs in your system while playing the Apex Legends. So you must uninstall Faceit Anti-Cheat, Roit Vanguard if you have installed it in your system, DS4 Windows, AutoHotkey and MSI Afterburner. You need to make sure that these programs are not running in your PC. If they are running, either completely uninstall them from your system or right click on the taskbar and choose the option Task Manager. Right, in these processes, if one of the tasks is running, you need to right click and choose the option End Task and close the related softwares from your system. After closing or uninstalling these softwares, relaunch the game to fix out the issue of launch error 30005, couldn't start the game. If this also failed, the issue is with your Windows file and you need to repair them. To do so, open up your web browser and here is the download link for Windows 11. And here is for Windows 10. You need to download corresponding Windows in your PC. For Windows 11, scroll down and here you will find the option of ISO image. Drop down list, choose the option Windows 11 and click on the option Download Now. Simply select your language and click on the Confirm button again. Then simply click on this 64-bit download. This will go ahead and download Windows 11 for you. Same way, you need to download Windows 10. Once the Windows is downloaded, you need to open it in your system and here open Sources folder. Now here press the I key to find a folder or file with the name install.esd or install.wim. One of the file must be present right over here. Either it is install.esd or it is install.im. So to use this file, click on Start menu, type cmd. Choose the option Run as Administrator. Now type here a command dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health /source double dot. Now you need to provide the source of this particular file install.esd or install.wim. To get the path, click on this address bar, right click and copy the path. Now paste right over here by pressing the Ctrl+V key. Now / type in the name of the file which is install.esd and hit the enter key. Now wait for this command to finish processing all the files in your system, and once this command finishes fixing the corrupted files for your system, restart your PC, and once you restart your system, relaunch your game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Apex Legends launch error code 30005, create file failed with 32. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.